DoorDash and drone company Wing announced pilot program to make drone delivery available via the DoorDash app in Australia. So this means that drivers will be losing their jobs to drones coming soon here. So what can you do to protect yourself from losing your job to a drone? Well, here's what you want to do. We all knew this day was coming, but it's finally here. Delivery drones are taking jobs away from Dashers. So if you haven't heard, DoorDash has partnered with a company called Wing. Wing is a company that specializes in delivery drones. So it's a lot of drone companies out there, but Wing particularly specializes in drones that specialize in delivery. And this is another way for DoorDash to complete those smaller deliveries, those quicker deliveries, the ones that we don't like so much, and that's less orders for us. So this is happening in Australia, and this is straight from the DoorDash.news website. So if you want to head on over to that website and check it out, feel free to do that. But as you can see right here, DoorDash and Wing announced pilot program to make drone delivery available via DoorDash app in Australia. So DoorDash and Wing have developed the capability to make drone delivery available via the DoorDash app in Australia, delivering convenient access to food and essentials from local restaurants and retailers in 15 minutes or less. So what they saying is, a lot of those deliveries that they consider, you know, deliveries 15 minutes or less, the easy quick drop-offs that we may not make too much money on, they're trying to really route those deliveries through this drone service. So it says here, launching this week, this service will be tested in a pilot program in Logan, located in the booming southeast Queensland region. So the partnership, a global first for both companies. So it's a first for both companies, meaning that DoorDash doesn't have any drone delivery service partnerships yet, and this is the first partnership that I'm guessing Wing has with any major delivery service. So we will be seeing for the first time the integration of the drone delivery service within another marketplace, giving eligible DoorDash customers, so that's key, not all customers gonna be able to access this, access to on-demand drone delivery by Wing. So it says down here that initially it's going to be available to a small number of households in the suburbs of Berminda, Brown Plains, Crestmead, Heritage Park, Kingston, Logan Central, Marsden, Regents Park, and Waterford West. So if you live in any of these areas, these are going to be the areas in Australia that DoorDash is going to be testing out this pilot program. So I would advise you to take advantage of it, because it's going to be pretty cool to see a drone, you know, flying overhead, dropping off a little package to your house. But at the same time, I want y'all to pay close attention to this, because moving forward, if this program is successful, how is this going to impact Dashers? Because that's what this channel is most concerned about. We here to give you the information so you can make the most educated decision. And you know, something like this is really important as far as Dashers go, because if they start to implement this in areas in the US, that may mean less orders in your area. Or it may mean that a lot of the trash orders are getting routed to these drone delivery services. So it says that it's going to be a new ordering service through the DoorDash app, and it's going to be called DoorDash Air. So you're going to be able to select drone delivery versus so I'm guessing they're going to add a new screen in there where you can select drone delivery or pickup or car delivery or bus delivery or whatever they're going to do, but they're going to add a new option. It's going to be DoorDash Air. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see how this develops over the next couple weeks. Here it says Wing drones can carry a payload of just over 1 kilogram. So, and travel at a speed of around 110 kilometers per hour. So that's quite fast, honestly. And I can think of a few safety concerns when it comes to drones delivering packages, but I'm not DoorDash or Wing, so hopefully they got somebody way smarter than me figuring out these safety concerns. And because I'd hate to get smacked in the head with a drone that's delivering a package and I'm just on my way to my doctor's appointment. So if you scroll down here, it says drone delivery can provide an excellent complement to our ground delivery services. Delivery drones create a quick, efficient delivery option for smaller orders weighing just over a kilo, and free up ground delivery services for larger deliveries that provide better compensation to drivers. So this is their way of saying we're gonna get them smaller orders out the way with the drone delivery, and that frees up more Dashers to do the deliveries that compensate. That's yet to be seen. DoorDash is full of this. So I don't take nothing that they say like this at face value. You got to show me for me to believe it, because I can't You know, if you scroll down a little bit more, it says partnership benefits all sides of the market. Man. So they basically saying it's going to benefit the merchant, it's going to benefit the consumer, and it's going to benefit the dasher. Well, let's scroll down and see just how it benefits everybody. So for the merchant, bringing the best local neighborhoods, the partnership will combine Wings technology with Doordash Marketplace to create the first partnership to bring the best of local neighborhoods to customers in 15 minutes or less. For consumers, the partnership will focus on bringing the most popular delivery bundles that customers can expect to receive when in less than 15 minutes. Okay, sounding good, right? For dashers, this is the important part. Drone delivery will provide an excellent complement to the ground delivery services fulfilled by delivery riders and drivers. So it's going to provide an excellent complement. Well, how is it going to do that? You say Dasher? Okay, well, this is how. Rather than changing the volume of orders on the DoorDash platform available to deliver, the goal is to provide customers with a quick and efficient sustainable delivery option for every small order while creating incremental order growth across the platform. So that what they're saying is, by getting these smaller orders out the way with delivery drones, they plan to create incremental order growth across the platform. Take a small hit now for a bigger payout later. That's classic DoorDash. Look, stay on the lookout for this drone delivery service, Wing. If this is successful in Australia, you better believe they finna be trying to roll this out in the US. They're already trying to make us employees, so DoorDash is gonna do everything to make money and to not pay dashers more. So they moving more and more into automation. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So you need to prepare for the future. 2023, what is the gig economy gonna look like? Is it gonna be more Walmart Spark? Is DoorDash gonna be delivering more packages through drone services? You know, they already changing up the app, trying to confuse us more and make us not be able to make an educated decision quicker. This is Dash and Trader giving you the latest in DoorDash news. Stay safe out there.